last general. 1958, General Ayub Khan was our first general. That time, Bangladesh was a part of Pakistan. In the year of 1947, we got freedom from Britain. 1964, General Ayub became elected President of Pakistan. 1966, peoples of East Pakistan started movement for freedom on 6 conditions. 1969, General Ayub fell down by a public movement. A new general arrived, General Yahya Khan. He declared a general election. 1970, Awami League, led by Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, won the election. Pakistani generals refused to hand over the power to elected body. They started genocide in East Pakistan. Peoples of East Pakistan declared Liberation War. 16 December 1971, Bangladesh became independent. 1975, our elected president killed by army. General Zia came to the power. 1981, he was killed by army and General Irshad took the power. 1990, last general Irshad fell down by a democratic movement. From 1991 to 2007, Bangladesh was ruled by democratic government. Last General Irshad now is a regular politician. 29th December 2008, peoples of Bangladesh again casting their votes for democratic government. Awami League won the election along with last General Irshad. Again the wheel of democracy starts moving towards the future.